Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce how to use the screenshot and video recording function in the IQ JoinMemos. Here we can see that at the bottom side, here this one is for the screenshot and this one is for the video recording. And both functions support to screenshot and video recording in the desktop function, in the desktop mode. When we, for example, if we go into the desktop mode, that's we can choose to screenshot the image under the desktop mode. This one is for partially screenshot in the rectangle shape, and this one is a freelance shape, and this one is for a full screenshot. Firstly, we can choose the rectangle that we can choose this rectangle like this, and we will go into the IQ JoinMemos here, and then we can go to the desktop mode again, and this time we can choose a shape that we can circle a shape for it. For example, we choose the laptop here. Okay, so we can insert the laptop shape into the IQ JoinMemos here. Or we can go to the PowerPoint and choose the full screenshot. For example, we can do some annotation on it, like 1, 2, 3, and do a highlight. And for this annotation, it can also be screenshot completely to the IQ JoinMemos. Here, 1, 2, 3, we can see that. Okay, this is the screenshot part. And here is the function for the video recording. For the video recording, we just click this button and we can choose the route to save the video. Like we save it in the desktop. Okay, and we can choose the audio device. Okay, and you will go to the countdown, and the video recording will record both under the IQ JoinMemos or in the desktop mode, and the operations we do in the IQ JoinMemos, like here, and both when we go back, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we can stop the recording. And we can see the recorded video like here. That's all the operations have been recorded here. Okay, that's all for today's screenshot and video recording. Thank you.